In this video we can talk about top 5 Luminar Neo alternatives and competitors. Welcome back to our Alternatives channel. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of photo editing as we unveil the best alternatives to the highly acclaimed Luminar Neo. We've got you covered with the ultimate lineup of top 5 alternatives, which are Picsart, HotPot, Skylum Luminar, PicMonkey, and Lunapic that will elevate your photography game. So, get ready to unlock a world of possibilities as we explore the dynamic features of all these alternatives in this video. Our first alternative is Picsart. Picsart is a versatile photo editing app that offers a wide range of features and tools to help you enhance and modify your photos. It offers excellent features like AI background checker, AI background maker, and AI image generator. Picsart offers a robust community platform where you can share your edited photos, participate in challenges, and collaborate with other artists as well. And one of the standout features of Picsart is its comprehensive set of editing tools, enabling you to adjust colors, tones, and perspectives, as well as remove unwanted objects from the photos. Second on our list is HotPot. HotPot is a feature-rich photo editing application that combines powerful editing tools with an intuitive interface. It offers features like photo upscaler, color generator, and picture colorizer. HotPot provides a variety of creative filters and effects, allowing you to add unique styles and moods to the images. One of the standout features of HotPot is its intelligent auto-enhancement algorithm that analyzes photos and automatically applies appropriate enhancements to improve the overall quality of your photo. Next up, we have Skylum Luminar. Skylum Luminar is a feature-rich photo editing software that combines a comprehensive editing toolkit with an intuitive interface. It offers key features like image editor, background remover, and retouch portraits. Designed to meet the needs of photographers of all skill levels, Luminar offers a wide range of editing tools, including basic adjustments, filters, and advanced features. And one of the standout features of Skylum Luminar is its AI sky replacement feature, with the help of which you can easily replace skies in your photos with more visually appealing ones. Our fourth alternative is PicMonkey. PicMonkey is a versatile photo editor and graphic design maker that equips you with a comprehensive set of tools to explore your creativity. It offers key features like photo editor, touch-up tools, and design templates. From basic photo adjustments to advanced editing techniques, PicMonkey offers a seamless experience for enhancing and transforming images. And the major standout feature of PicMonkey is its user-friendly interface, allowing even novice designers to create professional-looking graphics effortlessly. Last but not the least, we have Lunapic. Lunapic is a versatile online photo editing tool that offers a plethora of special effects and creative options. It offers features like color spotting, motion blur, and object removal. The platform also supports the creation of GIFs from images or videos, making it a fun tool for adding animated elements to your projects. One of the standout features of Lunapic is its extensive collection of effects, providing endless possibilities for creative photo editing. Compared to Luminar Neo, Picsart focuses on a vast collection of creative filters and effects, providing you with extensive options for artistic transformations. HotPot aims to provide a seamless editing experience, prioritizing intuitive controls and streamlined workflows. Skylum Luminar offers integration with popular editing software like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, allowing you to combine the strengths of both platforms. PicMonkey stands out with its extensive collection of creative effects and graphic elements, allowing you to quickly add unique touches to your images. And Lunapic supports transparency and layering, providing you with additional editing techniques for more complex compositions. After conducting thorough research on the 5 alternatives to Luminar Neo, we would recommend Skylum Luminar as the best alternative. Skylum Luminar offers an exceptional balance between advanced editing capabilities and user-friendly features, making it a standout choice for photographers of all skill levels. The software's intuitive interface and comprehensive editing workflow ensure an efficient and enjoyable editing experience. And that's a wrap on our quest for the ultimate Luminar Neo alternatives. We hope you've found valuable insights along the way. If you're hungry for more exciting content that fuels your creative passion, don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell. Hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video and want to see more like it. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.